Hey guys, it's Mercedes, also known as that mom here on the internet, and today I'm doing a slightly different video. If you're wondering what you guys are sitting on, not tripod, my stand just so happens to be right here in the living room because I've been doing bullet journal videos and everything in the living room, so I just kind of left it out here right now. But right now I decided that it would probably be, it's nap time right now, so I just put the baby down for a nap. And so I am going to do my normal kind of nap time routine, which is like eating, and like I haven't brushed my hair yet. It's 12 and I have not brushed my hair yet today. Literally the only thing I did was I put on a different shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing all the stuff that I need to do during nap time, and we'll kind of go from there. And I thought, since I did the day in the life video and I kind of left all of this bulk of stuff out, that I would just go ahead and do it right now, because so basically when I do my stuff during nap time, I kind of do the exact same stuff if I'm not creating a video or editing that video, which I am actually going to be. Hey, the neighbors are doing their yard, so I'm like, they've been like on and off doing the yard, so I'm kind of hesitant also about filming right now. But anyway, that's why I said let me just film it, and then, you know, to myself I was like, I can just put music over it. So you guys seem to be enjoying that kind of video setup that I've done a couple times. I have seen in the views that that type of video looks like it's doing pretty good, so you guys must like it. So we're gonna do again. So I take a sip of my water because, like, I feel like I look so dry and parched. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair and take my jacket off, and I don't know, maybe talk to you guys a little bit, because I was gonna do another sit down CNA video. So I see that you guys like those sit down CNA videos, and I'm sorry that if it's the voice quality is down, because I don't have my microphone on. If you guys can see, it's in my bag that's right over there, but I don't really feel like putting on my microphone at the moment, because I don't know, I feel like we're actually talking a little bit. So yeah, so I was gonna do another CNA video about what 2021 was like for me, and then I was like, well, I don't really want to do like the CNA videos. They do very well, and they are truthful videos, very, very truthful videos. Sometimes I have such bad anxiety when I post these videos, because I'm like, oh no, am I going to lose my job? Oh no. Even though I'm not saying anything about my job. I'm not saying my job's name. I'm not saying, well, basically you guys know I'm a CNA. I work as a PCT because the hospital up-trained us, but many hospitals in America are doing that. To my knowledge, a lot of people tell me that their hospitals in, like, you know, I'm in Arizona, so like a friend in Pennsylvania will say that their hospital is doing that too, or like the learning hospitals, like the Texas and Florida, California. There's a lot of like big like med school hospitals. They're like the med schools, they go to these hospitals and stuff, so there's a lot of those breaking programs that they do and all that. And this has been something that I've heard from a lot of people, that CNA to PCT is a very common thing these days. So yeah, so I don't feel bad saying that in the video, but I just get such bad anxiety because I have coworkers that know that I do these videos too, and they absolutely love them. The ones that have seen the videos, they're just like, yeah, you know, we love it. We love you for saying all this stuff, because it's true. You know, and I try to be as unbiased as possible. But, you know, if I were to be like, I'm pretty sure he said that he's a tech in the ER, or he was a tech in the ER before taking off on TikTok. The Steve Leto guy, I think it's like Steve, Leto or something like that, yeah. So like Steve Leto or something like that. He is, he has those sweaters that say mother, you know, MUFKR. I can't really say it without saying it, but you know what I'm talking about. And he's, like I said, I think he said that he was a tech in the ER, which, you know, if I went to the ER, I would be a tech too. I would just have to train a couple more skills I think they would do, just like if I were to go to the ICU, they would uptrain on how the ICU techs run and all that kind of stuff. So not going to the ICU, guys. I did try to go to the ICU about 4 or 5 years ago. I tried to go to the thoracic ICU, but it didn't work out. So it's fine. It's cool. It's cool. But I'm not gonna do the ICU anymore. But anyway, the video I was gonna make was gonna be about what it was like to be a CNA in 2021, and it sucked. I've had patients in the last 2-3 weeks ask me, oh, how has the last 2 years been treating you? How has everything gone? I just want to say, guys, I left the hospital for maternity leave, and then I came back and everything was full swing. So it's been a while. My daughter's going to be 2 here really, really soon. And I still don't feel like I have a complete grip on it. Like, I have a grip and I have an understanding of what's going on. But sometimes you just get thrown a curveball. And everybody asks me, they're like, oh, well, how has the last year been? And it's been, you know, it's been pretty not great. I get to learn a lot. Because unfortunately, I've had to get close. And I like to say that my floor is nowhere close, but I've had to go to the floors that are close. So I've had to learn all the stuff. Because at one point they're like, oh yeah, the CNAs and the PCTs aren't going to go in. You're guys going to just do like being runners in between the rooms and everything and all that kind of stuff. But no, it's not like that. I get right up and down and dirty in the rooms. So, and I know plenty of other CNAs that are also getting down and dirty in the rooms and just wonderful. I seen a really great TikTok from a nurse. Gosh, like Nurse Julia or something like that. I see them on YouTube Shorts a lot. I don't follow her on Instagram or anything, but like I want to say it's like Nurse Julia, or no, Nurse Michaela is a different one. So yeah, I want to say it's like Nurse Julia, and she did the whole Encanto thing. And it was the whole, you know, I don't touch those cracks. Hernando touches those cracks, and who's Hernando? So they had overlaid it with, you know, I can't go in without my trusty support CNA, and the trusty support CNA comes up, you know, and he's got the bucket on his head, like the nurse is just like with the bucket on the head and the spackle and the spackle part, and the nurse just is like with all the extra stuff. Like I laughed at that one because I was like, well, I hope I can be my nurse's support CNA. I don't mind that. If they need a laugh, I'm gonna be right there to give them a laugh. You guys do not know how much crystals I've given my nurses in the past couple years. If there is a crystal that I find that I have that I feel like they need, I'm giving it to them. Let me fix this. As you can hear, the neighbors have started, so I'm going to put this video on pause. I am going to eat some highly processed, not great for us stuff, but it's good, and I feel like eating it, so take that, guys. But yeah, I'll pop back in here and finish my thought. But if you guys are eyeing something that's not great for you, just eat it. Make the better choice next time, but like, I'm gonna eat these. Bye. Okay, guys, so they were out there for like an hour doing that, but I'm back real quick. Gonna get some stuff done, but at the end of my last little clip, other than the food clip, guys, I was saying how that I give my nurses a lot of like crystals and stuff, and I just want to make sure that people don't see that and see the playlist that I have. Very gutsy of me, guys, very gutsy, but we're leaving that playlist. We're working on that series, but anyway, it's not something that is like, oh my goodness, she's giving people teas and crystals and stuff. I usually carry selenite in my pocket, and if somebody's having a bad day, you know, if I'm working with them the next shift, I'll bring them their own piece and I'll offer it to them. And if they want it, they can have it. Has everybody that I've given it to taken it? Yes. Have I had people give it back to me when they feel like it's done its job for them? Yes. Am I okay with that? Yes. I'm very fine with that. I'm very okay with that, guys. And like tea, like I'll give them like chamomile, peppermint. What else do I carry? Chai. I carry chai. You know, good teas, good stuff. So anyway, yeah. So, and then to all the nurses leaving medicine, I understand, and I'm kind of sad you guys aren't taking me with you, but we're working on it, right? We're working on this. So anyway, I am going to get into me computer, me tablet. Ooh. So, me tablet, and I'm going to redo a voiceover that I did at 4 a.m. that I just feel like I am not awake enough sounding in video because it was 4 a.m. and I wasn't very awake. I had done a 2 a.m. voiceover and I listened back. Oops. Wrong button. I listened back to that the other night and I deemed it okay to leave. So, if you guys are wondering, if I listen back to my voiceovers, yes. And sometimes I do feel like I have mumbled. But if it's a small portion of a mumble, or if I'm having some issues, because I do have a stutter and I do have some speech impediment stuff wrong, and when people find this out, like I could work with the same person for like, let's not say very super long, because people I've worked with right now, like 5 years. How about that? Like I've worked with somebody for 5 years and they're just starting to notice that it's getting bad. So, yeah. Anyway, so if I listen back to my voiceover and deem it not clear enough or that I just need to go ahead and redo it, I'll redo it. So I do listen back through my voiceovers. Does it help? Yes. Do most of my voiceovers ramble? Yes. Some videos, I think I can have like 5 or 6 different conversations for the exact same video. And it's kind of fun too. So, yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this voiceover for this Dollar Tree video. You will see the Dollar Tree video before you see this video. So anyway, yeah. So I will do that, and then I will do some dishes and stuff. I'm not too worried about picking up the toys from the floor right now because I swept a little bit after I had eaten, and as soon as the baby wakes back up, the toys are going to be everywhere again. So I'd rather hold off and do the toys when they can actually stay in the bucket all night, and tonight I have to stay awake all night, so they split my days up. This week I had to work Wednesday, and then I'm going to work on Saturday, which is tomorrow. So yeah, not like I was out all day. Yesterday was the day, the first day home, but I was working up until 7:30 in the morning yesterday, and then I didn't lay down till like 1 or 2 in the afternoon, like when my daughter had laid down for her nap, and I stayed down till like close to 4, but 4:30, and dinner was done by the time I had been woken up. So I didn't sleep very long during the day yesterday. I did sleep all night last night. I did a nice meditation to clear my head, and I slept last night, and it was really great, but I still feel tired. Like I had a cup of coffee this morning, and I still feel tired, so I ramble when I'm tired. So that's just going to be how this channel is going to be. We're going to have some tired ramblings, and that's fine with me. I hope it's fine with you, because it's fine with me. So anyway, yeah, on to this voiceover, and I can ramble in that video. No, this video is only 6 minutes long. The video is only 6 minutes long. I can't speak, so I only have 6 minutes of rambling to do. So anyway, we'll see you in the next clip. Hey, so, I did my voiceover and I re-uploaded that video to YouTube and everything, so we're good to go. That video is, like I said, you'll see it before you see this one, but when is this one gonna go up? I don't know if this one's gonna be a Friday video or a Monday video, so, it'll have gone up Wednesday. Yes, because Monday, there's a bullet journal video on Monday. So, I'm getting, this one maybe should be on Friday. So, let me know in the comments what date does this video go live. I am coming out here to check on my stuff of the yard sale stuff. And so, I am going to do another yard sale soon, but I also have to find a waffle mattress. I'm always scared to come back here. La, 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 la. Okay. Anybody else? Flip you guys around. Okay, does anybody else just get scared about coming out to things? Like, it's our shed, and it's ours. And I know nothing should scare me, but I'm still scared. Oh, that's what I'm looking for right there. Perfect. Great. It's on top. Bunch of yard sale stuff over here, over there. The pack and plays. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, my camera's acting all funky, so I gotta do this kind of quick. Okay, so, yeah, we have pack and plays, and that is a giant camping stove, and then the two, no, that one and that one are, like, multi-person tents. We've had them forever, and we're not using them right now, so we're trying to sell them, and, you know, maybe one day go ahead and buy another pack, but since we're not, oh, that's trains, that's definitely not going, but since, we have them and we're not using them, we're trying to sell them, get them out of the way. Same with the camping stove. I don't think we're going to sell our tree base, but here's just a bunch of, stuff I have for the yard sale. This got broken, womp womp, so I'm not going to sell that, but I'll probably use it for, like, a plant upcycle. This is my nearly 11-year-old daughter's car seat, so that is why we are not using it for the baby. Nearly 11 years old. Yeah. And then there's another Christmas tree back here. I haven't been told whether or not I can sell the Christmas tree or not yet, so we'll see. A lot of stuff. So I'll probably end up bringing the one box of stuff. Oh, and this shelf is awesome. I can't wait to try to do something with that. But yeah, so we'll try to probably bring the box of supplies that we were supposed to be doing the bathroom with out here so that they can come out of the baby's room. Maybe I'll use that and upcycle it to do something in the baby's room. So yeah. Okay guys, nap time is over. The baby woke up. Sorry. The baby woke up like 15 minutes ago and got her all changed and everything, and so now it is just about 3 o'clock. I'm about to put on everybody's favorite movie at the moment, Encanto. So, for at least the 10th time today, yes, we watch a lot of Encanto, guys. If you guys haven't seen Encanto, it's a pretty good movie. I like watching the Film Theorists, and I think I also watched the Super Carlin Brothers theory. I watched both of the theories on, that's my baby yelling for no, on Encanto, and it was great, guys. So, before this nice copyrighted music starts, I want to say thank you for joining me. I hope this video was well received, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, enjoyed and well received. Same word. I'm going to go make lunch for the baby. I don't know what I'm going to make for her, but it'll be something. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, make sure to hit like the thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. So, bye.